Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Now you've heard about a mad cat lady, we're bringing you a self-proclaimed mad dog lady. With 3 big Malamutes and a cat and a baby, they were desperately in need of a little bit more space. Our Avon 3x3 log cabin gave them exactly what they were looking for.
This is our log cabin all finished. And the garden is tidied. It still needs plants and stuff for summer, but it's not the weather for it yet. So this is it all painted. We've stained it on the outside, which is our first time because we usually paint all of our wood. I think I prefer staining, it just looks fresher. It just takes a whole lot longer than painting wood.
Emma's time-lapse video shows you just how easy our DIY log cabins are to build. Her husband built it in just a few days, with some help along the way. We hope he got it perfect or he'll be in the doghouse. Get it? When not travelling in their camper van or on adventures with the dogs, they needed a space to unwind. They wanted their cabin to be large enough for family and friends to enjoy, but leave enough room in the garden for their daughter, dogs and the cats to run around.
Inside we've gone for like a creamy grey, I would say. And at the moment we've got our garden furniture in here.
Emma turned her cabin into a cinema. She explains how a few simple additions helped open it up for year-round use.
We do have a camper van. We have a projector in it for our TV that connects to our phones so we can watch movies in the van. So we've got a bigger projector screen for here. And yeah, we can get the projector, it's just a portable, it's the size of like a Coke can. And we can watch movies in here because we often have the fire pit out and this space, and we're doing s'mores and we've got family round, and this is just like our little outhouse. And that was our log cabin. So looking forward to lots of summers in the garden, and hopefully we get more weather like this. The dogs are loving it too. Little dog house for them. You like it? Yeah.
That's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we take a look at another customer's garden building. Hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.